సెప్టెంబర్ 3, 4, 2024 హైదరాబాద్‌లో సమున్నతి వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఎఫ్‌పిఓ కాంక్లేవ్ జరిగింది. ఇందులో దేశం నలుమూలల నుంచి రైతుల సంఘాల వారందరూ వచ్చారు. రకరకాల విషయాల మీద ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ జరిగింది. ఇందులో టెక్నాలజీ విషయం కానివ్వండి, కొత్త ఆవిష్కరణలు కానివ్వండి, లేకపోతే కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్స్ గురించి కానివ్వండి, రైతు సంఘాలకు కావాల్సిన ఆర్థిక సహకారానికి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు, నాలెడ్జ్‌కి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు, రకరకాలవన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్‌లో మనకు చూడడానికి దొరికాయి. ఇంత ఇన్నోవేషన్ జరుగుతున్న ఈ ఏరియాలో కొన్ని అనుభవాల్ని మీ ముందర ఉంచుతున్నాము. ఎఫ్‌పిఓలకి ఈ ఈ కాంక్లేవ్‌లో వచ్చిన అనేకమైన కొత్త విషయాలు ఎఫ్‌పిఓల ప్రగతికి చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయని ఆశిస్తున్నాం. మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా నవలోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా లోకానికి స్వాగతం. When farmers struggle with several problems, they need a mentor, they need a support. Particularly when it comes to millets, there are several challenges because most of the experiences are gone out of the society. So there is an effort to bring back these experiences to our society, particularly nurture several entrepreneurs who are engaged with millets related agenda. So now we are with Millets Mentor and Innovation Guild, and I request you to introduce yourself and explain what you are all doing here.
Hello, so my name is Sainika. I work with Vasan, and Millet Mentor is a collaborative platform currently being anchored by Vasan and Selco Foundation and RRN Network. There are multiple organizations together. The idea is there is a lot of money, public and private investment coming into millet, especially there are a lot of millet processing unit established. But in terms of giving them other services and support, there is not a platform existing. So a lot of organizations that have been working in millet came together and decided to form the platform. We support
Like who are all there?
So there is Vasan, Selco Foundation, RRN Network, there is Manyam Grains, Earth 360. So it's a consortium of NGOs, millet entrepreneurs, even millet machine vendors, as well as FPOs and people who are engaged in millet value chain activities.
All of them came together and thought about this.
Yeah. So the currently platform is anchored by Vasan. And we support SHGs and FPOs, the small scale millet processing unit, starting from millet processing unit establishment. How do you select machine? How should your layout be? How the installation should happen? And then we go on to capacity building and training component, where we train them how to operate machine. As simple as, because most of the time these units are run by village women who are not very technologically advanced.
Yeah.
So giving them
They
basics,
don't know how to operate.
exactly, giving them basics of it, machine शुरू कैसे करना है, चालू चलाना कैसे, how do you maintain quality, adjustment कैसे करने हैं machine so you get consistent quality over the period of time, and then maintenance, basic oiling, nut tightening, belt replacement,
Basic maintenance.
And then comes the business support key. How do you actually maintain books, because again millet processing is not very easy. You put the grain in machine, you get the output, you have to do a lot of iteration. So working progress inventory बहुत होता है. So how do you manage your inventory and track your inventory? Then in business support, we also help them make their business plan, production plan. How do they identify different market channels? How do they maintain quality for different, because every market channel has different quality requirements. And also the idea is growers and communities who work in millets, grow millets, should consume millet. So we also help them identify local markets. How do we increase consumption in the rural area?
So there are several things happening under this Innovation Guild as well as Millets Mentorship. Basically, they are trying to solve some of the basic problems that entrepreneurs themselves cannot solve. So there is a package of solutions that are offered by this particular initiative, and this is a call for all FPOs and NGOs and maybe government programs who are engaged with Millets initiative, and obviously most of them are facing those problems. You have a set of solutions.
Yes.
So it's for all of them to come and pick up this support system from here, and we hope your enterprise, your support system will actually strengthen the ecosystem of millets in a broader sense.
Yes.
And then most of the entrepreneurs will be successful because you are solving some of the very basic problems for them. All the very best to you.
Thank
And
you.
currently, where are you working? Who are your clients already?
Currently we are working in Andhra, Telangana, Odisha, Karnataka, and we recently started engagement in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. So you are approaching NGOs who are your
Yes.
first contact point?
So we are approaching NGOs, we are approaching government agencies such as NABARD. So our engagement in Karnataka and Andhra is through NABARD supported FPOs. And then we are connected with different networks. So in Madhya Pradesh, we are connected with regional networks who are CSO networks.
Okay. So I hope this particular initiative will be, eagerly, wanted by several clients, and then they will solve problems of millets entrepreneurs and ultimately millets consumers eventually.
Yes.
So all the very best to you.
Thank you.
Thanks.